Okay, quick question, Anna.
Uh-oh.
What's the fastest way to feel awkward in English?
Easy.
What?
Small talk.
Yes, because you know English.
But your brain suddenly forgets how to be a human.
Exactly. Someone says, "Hi, how's it going?"
And you respond like a robot. I am going.
Welcome back to English Time.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Jim.
Today's episode, How to Make Small Talk in English, with 20 real questions and natural answers.
No boring textbook talk.
Real-life talk.
Work, cafe, elevator, waiting line, neighbors.
And we'll show you what to say next so you don't freeze.
Quick reminder, subscribe to English Time, like the episode, and comment "small talk" if you want more real-life speaking practice.
All right, let's start with the truth.
People think they need a smart answer.
You don't.
Small talk is light,
Short.
friendly.
The goal is not to impress.
The goal is to connect.
And show you're polite and easy to talk to.
Exactly.
Here's the easiest formula. 1. Answer. 2. Add one small detail. 3. Ask a question back.
That's it.
Example.
How's your day going?
Pretty good, just a little busy. How about you?
Same, long day.
See? That's small talk.
Perfect.
Answer plus small detail plus question.
Safe topics are topics that won't start a fight.
Weather.
Weekend.
Food.
Work lightly.
The place you're in.
The situation you're in.
Like, this line is long.
Yes, everyone agrees.
We'll go one by one. Copy the patterns.
And we'll do quick role plays.
Number 1. How's it going?
Natural answers. Good, thanks. How about you? Not bad. You? Pretty good, just busy today.
Role play.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. Just busy today. How about you?
Same, long day.
See? That's small talk.
Number 2. How's your day been?
Answers. It's been good. It's been okay, kind of hectic. Not bad so far.
Add a tiny detail.
It's been okay, just a lot of meetings.
Nice.
Number 3. What have you been up to?
This means, what have you been doing lately?
Easy answers. Not much, just work. Honestly, just trying to stay busy. I've been working on a few things.
Role play. What have you been up to lately?
Not much, honestly, just work and catching up on sleep. What about you?
Same. I've been trying to exercise. A little.
Trying is a very honest word.
Number 4. How was your weekend?
Answers. It was nice. It was relaxing. It was pretty quiet.
Add detail.
It was relaxing. I stayed home and watched a movie.
Ask back.
How about yours? Number 5. Any plans for the weekend?
Answers. Not really, just taking it easy. I might meet a friend. I'm thinking of staying home.
Role play. Any plans for the weekend?
Not really, I'm just gonna take it easy. What about you?
I might go out for coffee and do a little shopping.
Nice. Number 6. What do you do? Job question.
This question can be tricky.
Keep it short.
Structure. I work in, I do.
Keep it simple.
Examples.
I work in customer service. I'm a student. I work in an office.
Then ask back. What about you?
Number 7. How do you like it here?
Great small talk question.
Answers. I like it. It's pretty nice. It's good so far.
Add detail.
It's nice. People are friendly.
Ask back. How about you?
Number 8. Is it always this busy?
This is a great question in lines, stores, and cafes.
Answers. Yeah, usually. It depends on the time. Not always.
Role play. Is it always this busy?
It depends. Mornings are usually crazy.
Makes sense. Number 9. How's work going?
Answers. It's going well. It's a bit stressful. Busy, but okay.
Add detail. Busy, but okay. We have a deadline this week.
Ask back.
How about you? Number 10. Do you have any recommendations around here?
This is powerful because it continues the conversation.
Answers. Yeah, you should try. I'd recommend. If you like coffee, try.
Example.
Do you have any recommendations around here?
Yeah, there's a cafe near the corner. The coffee's really good.
Nice, thanks.
Small talk needs reactions.
Yes, don't just answer like a test.
Use, oh nice, that's awesome, no way, really, that sounds great.
But don't overact.
Yeah, don't sound like a cartoon.
Too late. Repeat after me. Pretty good. How about you?
Not bad, just busy.
It was relaxing.
Not really, just taking it easy.
I work in customer service.
How about you? Coming up next, we answer more small talk questions.
Including the best ones for awkward moments.
Like when you don't hear someone.
Or when you want to exit the conversation politely.
No ending yet.
All right, Anna. Part 2 is where we save people from awkward silence.
The moment when you smile and your brain is empty.
That moment is universal.
Okay, let's continue. Questions 11 to 20.
11. Where are you from?
Very common.
Keep it simple. I'm from Iraq. I'm from Baghdad. I'm originally from...
Then add a tiny detail. I'm from Baghdad. I've lived here for a few years.
Ask back. How about you?
12. How long have you lived here?
Easy answers. For about 2 years. Since 2022. Not long, just a few months.
Role play.
How long have you lived here?
For about 2 years. I like it so far. How about you?
I've been here my whole life.
That's a perfect small talk exchange.
13. How do you know... name? Or do you know anyone here?
Great at events and gatherings.
Answers. We work together. We're friends. We met through a friend.
Example. How do you know Sarah?
We work together. She's on my team.
Oh, nice.
14. Have you been here before? Restaurant, place, event?
Useful when you're new. Answers. Yeah, a couple of times. No, it's my first time. Not really.
Add one question. What do you recommend?
Smooth.
15. What do you usually do for fun?
Safe and friendly.
Answers. I like watching movies. I like going to cafés. I like walking and listening to podcasts.
Add one detail. I like watching movies, mostly comedy.
Ask back. What about you?
16. Have you watched anything good lately? Movies, series?
Great modern small talk.
Answers. Yeah, I watched... Not really, I've been busy. I've been rewatching old shows.
Role play. Have you watched anything good lately?
Not really, I've been busy. Any recommendations?
Yeah, I watched a great series last week.
Perfect. Now you have a conversation.
17. How's the weather been? Classic safe topic.
You can never fail with weather.
Unless you start arguing with the sky.
Answers. It's been really hot. It's been nice. It's been a bit cold lately.
Add. I'm not used to this heat.
Ask back. How about you?
18. How's your week going?
Similar to how's your day, but a bit wider.
Answers. Pretty good. Busy, but okay. A bit stressful, honestly.
Make it natural. Busy, but okay. Just a lot going on.
Very human.
19. What brings you here today? Events, places, meetings?
This question is super useful. Answers. I'm here for work. I'm meeting a friend. Just checking this place out.
Role play. You're at a cafe.
What brings you here today?
I'm meeting a friend. I've heard the coffee is good. What about you?
Same. I needed a break.
Nice.
20. Are you from around here? Friendly local question.
Answers. Not really. I moved here recently. Yeah, I grew up here. I'm originally from, but I live here now.
Then follow.
Any tips for good places to visit?
Perfect. Now, the awkward moment kit. Save yourself in 3 seconds.
Okay, Jem. Now we need emergency phrases.
The I'm smiling but dying inside kit.
Exactly. Use these. When you didn't hear, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again?
When you don't know what to say. That's a good question. Let me think.
When the conversation dies. So, yeah, how's your day been? By the way, what do you do?
When you want to exit politely. Anyway, I should get going. It was nice talking to you. If you memorize only these, you will sound fluent.
Let's do quick, funny mistakes learners make in small talk.
Okay.
Okay, someone says, how's it going?
And you say, I'm going.
Fix. Good, thanks. How about you?
Another one. Someone says, what do you do?
And you answer, I do my best.
Not wrong, but not the question.
Answer, I work in, or I'm a.
Another one. Where are you from?
You say, I am from my house.
Technically true.
Answer, I'm from.
This is advanced, but simple.
Mirror what they say, then ask one question.
Example.
I'm busy today.
Busy day, huh? What's going on?
Natural. Smooth.
Another example. I went to a new cafe.
Oh, nice. How was it?
Boom. Conversation continues.
Okay, repeat after me.
Where are you from?
How long have you lived here?
What do you usually do for fun?
Have you watched anything good lately?
What brings you here today?
Anyway, I should get going.
If you can say these smoothly, you're ready for real life.
Like real life, elevator, cafe, work, event, all in one.
And we'll show how to start, continue, and exit naturally.
And then we'll wrap up at the very end only.
All right, Anna, this is the real-life simulator.
Where small talk attacks you when you least expect it.
Exactly. You're just trying to live,
And someone says, "So, how's it going?"
and your soul leaves your body.
Okay, we're doing 4 connected scenes. We'll use the 3-step formula. Answer plus small detail plus question back.
And we'll use rescue phrases when we panic.
Let's go. You step into an elevator. There's a stranger.
I press the button and pretend I'm invisible.
The stranger smiles.
That's the first problem.
"Hey, how's it going?"
Pretty good, thanks. Just a little busy today. How about you?
"Not bad. Long week."
Tell me about it.
"Nice. That phrase sounds very natural."
Then you add a safe topic. The weather has been really nice lately.
"Yeah, finally. It was so hot last week."
True. Are you from around here?
"Not really. I moved here recently."
Oh, nice. How long have you lived here?
"About 6 months."
That's cool. Do you like it so far?
"Yeah, I like it. People are friendly."
Great small talk.
Now the elevator stops.
And the ending matters. Anyway, I should get going. It was nice talking to you.
"You too. Have a good one."
Perfect exit.
That was smooth.
My hands are still sweating, but smooth.
Next scene, cafe.
The easiest small talk location.
Because you can ask about the menu.
And the line is long, so everyone is bored.
Exactly. This line is crazy today.
Yeah, it really is. I think everyone needs coffee. Have you been here before?
Yeah, a couple of times. The coffee's great.
Oh, nice. What do you recommend?
I'd recommend the cappuccino. It's really good.
Awesome, thanks. By the way, how's your day going?
Pretty good. Just running errands. How about you?
Not bad. Just trying to survive my week. Any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Just taking it easy. You?
Same. I might watch a movie and relax.
Sounds nice.
Then the barista calls you.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Sure. What size?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Name?
Jim.
Great.
Simple and fluent.
Now, funny mistake time.
I panic and say, can I get a cappuccino?
Capu chicken is wild.
Rescue phrase. Sorry, I mean cappuccino.
Exactly. Fix it and move on. Next scene. Work.
Work small talk is different.
It's shorter and more polite.
You don't want a 30-minute deep conversation at 9 a.m.
Unless you hate your job.
Okay, you walk into the office.
Hey, Jim. How's your morning been?
Pretty good. Just busy already. How about you?
Same. Lots of emails.
Tell me about it. By the way, how was your weekend?
It was nice. I stayed home and rested.
Nice. I did the same. I needed a reset.
Same here.
Then you keep it short and polite. Anyway, I should get back to work. Talk to you later.
Sure. Good luck. That's perfect work small talk.
Now, what if your coworker asks, what did you do?
Keep it simple.
Nothing special, just relaxed.
Exactly.
The key is light answers, friendly tone.
This is the hardest one.
Because you feel judged.
And you don't know what to say.
But we have a system.
Yes, use safe questions.
You're at a small event, you meet someone new.
Hi, I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. Nice to meet you. I'm Jim.
Nice to meet you too. What brings you here today?
I'm here with a friend from work. How about you?
Same. I know a couple of people here.
Oh, nice. How do you know them?
We work together.
Cool. What do you do?
I work in marketing.
Oh, nice. How do you like it?
I like it. It's busy but interesting.
That sounds great. So, have you watched anything good lately?
Actually, yes. I watched a great series last week.
No way. What's it called?
It's called Blank.
Nice. I'll check it out. What do you usually do for fun?
I like going to cafes and trying new food. You?
I like walking and listening to podcasts.
Oh, nice. Any recommendations?
Yeah, I've been listening to English Time.
Smooth promotion.
Always.
Now we simulate the panic.
I forget the word recommendation.
What do you do?
I use a simple word instead. Any good suggestions?
Perfect.
Fluency is not perfect vocabulary.
It's flexibility.
Another common moment. You didn't hear.
You don't smile and pretend.
Use the rescue line. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again?
That's confident and polite.
Many learners don't know how to leave.
And they get stuck for 20 minutes.
Use, anyway, it was nice talking to you. I'm gonna grab a drink, but great to meet you. I should say hi to someone. Talk to you later.
Nice meeting you.
Done. No awkwardness.
Okay, listeners, repeat these quickly.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Any plans for the weekend?
Not really, just taking it easy.
What brings you here today?
I'm here with a friend. How about you?
Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time.
Anyway, I should get going. It was nice talking to you.
Small talk in English is easy when you remember
1. Keep it light.
2. Use the 3-step formula.
Answer plus small detail plus question.
3. Use safe topics.
4. Use rescue phrases.
5. Exit politely.
That's it.
If you want, next episode we can do
Small talk at work only,
or small talk on a first meeting only.
or small talk while traveling.
Comment what you want next.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to English Time.
This was Anna,
And Jim.
and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.